Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. You're welcome to Decenstitch. If you're a new subscriber or returning subscriber, you're welcome. Please kindly like, share, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you. I'm going to have a joining on the sleeve. From here, I'm going to measure 10 inches. While from here, I'm going to measure 9 inches because I slanted the sleeve by 1 inch. And connect my dots. I'm going to have a joining here so as not to waste my paper and fabric when I'm going to cut it. That is the purpose of having a joining on the sleeve. I'm going to do the same for the back piece. I'll measure 10 inches here and 9 inches here. I'm going to label my paper before I cut it out so it will be easy for me. I'm going to have these two lines here, meaning this is joining back to this. Then my straight grain. I'm going to cut 2 pieces of this. This is my hem for my sleeve. This is my shoulder. We're back to the front piece. I'm going to label the sleeve parts. I'll do the same thing I did for the back piece. I'm going to cut 2 pieces of this too. This is my hem. Then this is going to be joined to the shoulder. The front and back, they are the same. So I'll label this front. I'll label this back. The next thing to do, I'm going to slash this paper to give it fullness. I'm going to draw my lines that I'm going to slash, the cutting lines. I have 8 inches here. I'll just divide it using 2 inches. I have about 15 here. I'm going to use 4 inches for this lower part. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Now I'm going to connect the lines. For the back piece, I'm going to leave it this way. I'm going to use this pattern. I won't be slashing the back. I only want fullness at the front. Now I'm going to slash these lines. I won't slash it all the way. I'll leave a little piece of paper, about 0.125 inches thereabouts. So I'm going to spread it open. I'm going to label this as my shoulder. So I'll remember this is the shoulder. This is my center front. I won't mind the straight grain. I'm going to have a new straight grain. So I'll just place this on the paper. I'm going to be taping it down. Then I'll measure 1.5 inches because I'm making for a small size. I'm making for size 10, but if you're making for a bigger person, you can increase it to 2 inches. After marking the 1.5, I'm going to tape the second paper down. I'll take it to that point where I marked 1.5 inches. Then tape it down up there. Note that I put a fresh paper underneath this one that I slashed. So I'm taping it on the paper that will eventually be my pattern. Those two are set now. I'm going to do the next one. I'll measure 1.5 again. Then tape this down. I'll make sure I adjust it at the top there. There shouldn't be any fold at the top, that shoulder part.
I'll do the same for the last piece and tape it down. Now I'm going to draw a curved line to connect this place. My blouse length is 26 and I have 27 in front here. I have 26 at the other side. Because of the slashing, it increased my length, so I want to bring it back to my 26 that I need. This is the front piece. This is the back piece. This is my sleeve. This is the collar band.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please kindly like, share, comment, subscribe if you're new here, and click the notification bell. Thank you.